Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video explains how to turn on or to enable data saver in your Twitter account. The first step is to click on your Twitter mobile app. Before I proceed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share with your loved ones if this video is helpful to you. The second step is for you to click on your profile picture up there. The third step is for you to scroll down and you click on Settings and Support. You also scroll down and you click on Settings and Privacy. Now, there is an option Accessibility, Display and Languages. You click on it. You will now see a provision for data usage. So if you want to turn on your data saver to reduce high quality videos and images, you now turn it on. You've succeeded in turning on or enabling data saver on your Twitter app. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.